Haya. His Excellency Raila Odinga, all distinguished guests, Yala Secretariat, all leaders, hamjambo. Baba power. Yala power. Democracy power. Baba, today we are very privileged to have you here as our father of democracy. All these young people, they are here with a lot of hope for the democracy you fought for this country. We as Yala, we are here today to evaluate the status of democracy in Kenya. Ndio tuone if at all we are in the right state. And Baba, we know, because you are still alive, you will support us, help us, so that we can get into your shoe and continue fighting for democracy of Kenya. Sawa sawa? Baba power. Kwa sababu Baba nakimbia mahali, tunataka tuende haraka haraka. Sawa sawa? Yeah. So nataka nikaribishe team leader Tabi. Aje hapa, I introduce the Yala team, and then from there atuambie more about Yala. Sawa sawa? Karibu Tabi.